Hi, I'm Brandon. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention system. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products, so let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing our F-Apex bracket on some simulated slate. Tools you'll be needing: a hammer with some roofing nails, a chalk line, and a tape measure. Let's get started. Grab 4 roofing nails. You're going to follow your spacing based on TRA's layout provided you for free. The nose of your bracket should always be at the end or the butt of your shingle. Today we're working on some simulated slate provided by Brava. After you get your first one in, make sure you are square, straight. That concludes the install of an F-Apex bracket on simulated slate. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 for sales at trasnowandsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thank you for joining us.